The secretary bird, Sagittarius serpentarius, is an extraordinary bird of prey found in the open grasslands and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa. It stands out for its striking appearance, including long legs, a crest of feathers on its head, and a black cloak of feathers that resembles a secretary's attire, hence its name. Secretary birds are skilled hunters, primarily preying on snakes and other small vertebrates. Secretary birds are known for their agility and ability to hunt venomous snakes, where they use their legs to flush out hidden prey from the grass. These birds are non-migratory and are often seen walking long distances on the ground. They play an essential role in controlling snake populations, making them valuable to ecosystems.